Hi, kindergartners. Hope you guys are doing well today. Let's get started with our morning message. It is a Thursday, and I spy the TH at the beginning of the word Thursday. Have you been noticing your THs, CHs, SHs in books? I sure hope so. So it's Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Ooh, yesterday I greeted you in Spanish. Today I'm going to greet you in the language of French. That's the language I took in high school, and I actually got to go to France to practice my French speaking skills. I hope some of you will take a foreign language when you get older, and maybe you'll get to travel to a country to speak their language. It's a really cool experience, and I know many of you speak a second language other than English at home, which is an amazing ability. You're very lucky to have the ability to do two languages pretty easily. That's awesome. Okay, here we go. Bonjour, mes amis. That means hello, my friends in French. Tomorrow will be special. We will have a pretend teddy bear clinic field trip that you can do on the computer or tablet, whatever you do your schoolwork on at home. So I was so bummed we had to miss our real teddy bear clinic that we were supposed to go to Lakeview Hospital for in the month of April in kindergarten. That made the kindergarten teacher sad. So we wanted to do something a little tiny bit special and show you what we would kind of do at the hospital. So there will be 4 different videos with an activity that you can do tomorrow. We will have a Google Meet again at 9:30 tomorrow. I hope I see you. I really hope our class can all sign on, as many kids as possible, because there's going to be 2 special guests. People that you know really well want to sign on to our Google Meet because they miss you so much. All right, here are your jobs for the day. 1, your writing video and work. You might want to do it when your mom's not around. 2, you have your Letterland lesson and work. 3, the specialist class is gym with Mr. Moostar. 4th, you're going to find a teddy bear for tomorrow's meeting. So remember, we're going to do a teddy bear themed Google Meet. So find a teddy bear. If you don't have a bear, just find another stuffed animal friend. Get ready for the Google Meet. Now at the teddy bear clinic, they always ask us to pretend that something is wrong with our animal. So you might pick one that has a little rip in its paw, or you might pick one that fell down and broke its little bare leg. You decide, and you have a story ready for us for the Google Meet about what happened to your animal friend, okay? And I'll have one ready too. For attendance today, I want you to show me your Letterland work again. Just take a quick picture of it, record yourself doing it, whatever, okay? But be sure to have your writing work done and ready for your mom on Sunday. All right, let's get to our featured student, my favorite part of the day. Today is another student who starts with this sound. Who else could it be? So we just shouted out to Mary. We have another student whose nickname is only 1 letter away from Mary's. Know who it is? It's Maddie. Hi, Maddie. How are you doing? So Maddie is what we call you at school. Your full name is Madeline, isn't it? So since we usually call you Maddie, I was thinking we'll just do that today. I hope that's okay with you. All right, let's write Maddie's name. I'm writing a capital M, starting at the top. Ah. What should I put for ah? An A, right? Mad. Dippy duck. E. What says E at the end of many words, kindergartners? It's a Y, isn't it? M-A-D-Y. That spells Maddie. Maddie, special shout out to you. You have been absolutely fantastic about getting your work turned in right away, so I know you are working really, really hard at home. I miss seeing your smile every day, but I am really glad that you have been working hard at home, and I want you to keep that good work up. I know your friends miss you a lot because I definitely do too. So shout out to you, Maddie. I hope you're having a good day today. Boys and girls, Maddie's name is almost like Mary's name, but instead of an R for the sound, we did a D for the D sound. So in Maddie's name, I'm counting one vowel, just the A. So the rest of the letters are consonants. 1, 2, 3 consonants. 1 plus 3 again. Do you remember what that was? 1 more than 3, of course, is 4. Read this equation with me. Here we go. 1 plus 3 equals 4. All right, Maddie, thanks for letting us use your name today. Kindergartners, get ready to read our May poem with me. By now, I bet you're remembering some of the words. Do your best to say it out loud at your house. Oh, the sun is out. It's time to play in the merry, merry month of May. Let's catch some bugs as they fly away in the merry, merry month of May. All is well, all is well, all is well each merry day. The plants are growing, their colors are showing in the merry, merry month of May. Such happy days will come our way in the merry, merry month of May. I'll hug my mom on Mother's Day in the merry, merry month of May. All is well, all is well, all is well each merry day. The plants are growing, their colors are showing in the merry, merry month of May. Okie dokie, favorite students of mine, it is time to get our calendar square filled in for the day. It's the 7th today. So I guess I better write the number 7. Slide to the right and slant on down. That's how we write the number 7. Butterfly, butterfly, flower, flower, robin, robin. We are back to butterfly. Fly on up to our 7, Mrs. Butterfly. All right, zip, zop, zoop. What was yesterday? Boys and girls, point backwards. Yesterday was Wednesday, which means today is Thursday, and tomorrow will already be Friday, or as we call it in kindergarten, Fry-yay. It's going to be a really fun one with our Google Meet too. Tally time, time to add another tally to our Mayflower. We left off with 6 yesterday. I'm adding another tally. 1 more than 6, of course, is 7. And you can see 7 made here by making this tally group with 5 and 2 more, 6, 7. We need to erase this 6. There have been 7 days in the month of May. It's time for a subtraction dice roll and count. Today's subtraction equation is this. 4 minus 4. 4 take away 4. Okay, so if you have 4 and you take all 4 away, they're all gone. So it's 0. Kindergartners, anything taking away its same number is going to be 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. 2 take away 2 is 0. 3 take away 3, and so on and so forth. So that's when you can really know when to snap, almost like your snap words. All right, I'm going to drag the rectangle over to 0. It's our first 0 of May. What number have we also had as our answer to our equation? 3, right? If I glance at this graph, I can see easily that we've gotten the answer of 3 twice. Hey, it's finally time for Tic Toc match the clock. This is always a favorite of calendar time in May. Mrs. Coleman showed you telling time in math, so now we get to do it on the clock. So I have a die here, single dice, that says 5, and then there's a spinner. If you get a 1, it will be 5 o'clock. If the little arrow's pointing to 2, it'll be 5:30. So right now it's pointing to the 1, so we're going to write 5 o'clock. Okay, so first we're going to do it on the circular clock here. We call this an analog clock. That's like the clock that's up on the wall in our classroom. I have a big one on the wall of my kitchen. Other than that, we don't see these clocks very often. Some people have watches. Then the watch face shows an analog clock. Oftentimes, like in our cars, on walls, on our TVs, and our computers, and our phone screens, it's very often a digital clock that we just see the numbers for. So we'll kind of be practicing how to read both. All right, so the red hand is our shorthand. That's the hour hand. And we are going to move that shorthand to the 5. The long hand shows minutes. And when it's just a clock, the long hand always points up at the top of the clock. So it's ready to go around clockwise. Boys and girls, this is showing 5 o'clock. Okay? Now I want to write it the digital way. Watch how I do this. I start with the number 5, down, around, and give it a hat. And then I make these 2 special dots called a colon. Dot, dot. And then when it's o'clock, it's just a 0, 0. 0, 0. And there we go. Tick tock, match the clock. The last thing I want to show you today, kindergartners, is counting by 2s, the song I promised you. Before we do the song, let's warm up by counting by 2s to 20. So we're skip counting. We're starting with 2, then we're going to go to 4 and 6 and so on. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, come down here to 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. All right, now I will play the song for you. At the end of the song, the video will be over, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. See you later, alligators.
Say 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Say 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Won't you sing it again? 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 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What comes after 10 when you're counting by 2? Let's find out. 12, 14, 16, 18, 12, 14, 16, 18, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 12, 14, 16, 18, 12, 14, 16, 18, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Won't you sing it again? Won't you sing it again? Won't you sing it again? Won't you sing it again?
12, 14, 16, 18, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Counting by 2 once twice always follows a pattern. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then back to 0. That pattern repeats over and over again. Let's use it to count by 2s from 20. 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30. 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30. Won't you sing it again? 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 Say 20,
22, 24, 26, 28, and 30.
Do you know some things that we can count by 2s? Here's a few. Your eyes, your ears, your hands, your feet, and your nostrils. Here's a few more. Your shoes, your gloves, your socks, your knees, and your elbows. Won't you sing it again? 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 Your eyes, your ears, your hands, your feet, and your nostrils. What were those other ones? Your shoes, your gloves, your socks, your knees, and your elbows. Then you think of other things that come in twos. Try making a list. In the meantime, let's review. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Won't you sing it again? 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 Say 2,
4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
can count by 2. I know. 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 Can count by 2.